What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know the videos lately have been kind of sporadic because, well, obviously my truck's sitting here with no wheel on it, which we'll get to in a minute. You guys already know why, but I'm gonna call today and hopefully get some answers on how long this is exactly gonna take to get me a tire or whatever they're gonna do. So if you guys don't know what's going on with that, you can go and watch the other videos.
Absolutely. And
what's the volume on this thing? You guys can go watch those videos, but we have here a piece that we need anyway before we can even get the truck inspected, because no one will inspect it because it's too high. My bumpers are way too high. So I got this here receiver hitch, which a lot of people have been saying to get. Oh, good, thank God. All right, I was kind of worried that I wasn't going to get my bolts, but they were smart and they taped them to the hitch itself. That's going to hang down significantly lower because remember, I have a body lift in this truck, so it's going to hang down below the bumper, below the frame. So it'll probably be like right here, which is going to, I mean, it won't look too bad because it's just a receiver hitch. Like, it's not the whole bumper being back down, it's just the hitch. So it'll probably look okay, and it'll make it so I can get it inspected. I also got a 6-inch drop hitch on it, so which is in the house, so if I wanted to tow anything I could. But yeah, I got the bolts, which is good because I was kind of afraid of that because the box was broken. There was a hole in the box. I thought if they had bolts just like bouncing around in there, that it would you know, not that the bolts would have fall out. But we're going to install this today and get that on there so my bumper height is legal, and that's pretty much that. We're also going to give Maxis a call. Like I said, we're going to do that first. We're going to see what exactly we can do, or what exactly their whole plan is on getting me a tire, because it's been a while at this point. I mean, I sent it back to them last week, but I don't know. I'm kind of so sick of waiting at this point, and they haven't told me literally anything. Like, there's no shipping back to them. Like, I can't see on my phone that they got the tire or anything, which, I mean, obviously that's, you're not supposed to be able to see that because they're not shipping it to me, I'm shipping it to them. So yeah. Also, this little black shit, you guys might not even be able to see that, but it's coming back only on my hood. It's got a couple little spots on it from before. I know you guys probably remember when I did that video, I had to clean all this shit off. It's coming back, so I still don't know what that stuff is, but we're gonna call Maxis. We are going to put the receiver hitch on the truck, and then basically we're just waiting for the tire to come back. Matt with the Jeep, he ended up getting his new tires, so you guys will see those at some point. I haven't seen him since I lifted it, but at some point you guys will see the tires that he got. I'm going to leave that kind of a surprise, I guess, because I honestly haven't even seen it either, but he did tell me that he got them. So yeah, we're going to give Maxis a call, and then we'll figure out. This is a I believe it's rated to, like, it's a class 3 hitch, so it's rated to like 7,500 pounds, which is more than what this truck can tow, to be honest with you, because that's probably already close to maxing out what this truck could tow, because keep in mind it is an F-150 and it also has 38-inch tires on it. So yeah, that's more than enough, and I actually don't even have anything to tow, but if I wanted to tow, I could now. I honestly don't even know if my trailer lights even work, to be honest with you, which it doesn't look like they do because one of them is ripped. So if I do even want to tow anything, I'm going to have to fix these. So it's pretty much just a pass inspection. So yeah. I sent a tire to you guys last week for a warranty claim. I was wondering if you guys would be able to give me any information on the status of that.
Sure. Do you have the warranty claim number with you?
Yeah, 1 second. It's 927.
Just 1 second.
Yep.
And I'm sorry, you said this was for a bicycle tire, correct?
No, this is for a truck tire.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay, so it looks like your tires got here last week, and the inspections are currently being done on it, so they aren't done yet, but I would expect them to be done probably sometime next week.
Okay. Is that, when that is completed, is it something that I would hear back from you guys directly, or would I hear back from, I ordered the tire originally through 4 Wheel Parts, would I hear through them or through you guys?
So it looks like they were the ones who submitted the claim for you? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so then they would probably, it would be whoever the email that has been, if your email is the one that's on the claim, then that's going to be the most like direct method of communication that you'll hear from us. So if your email is the one that's like associated with the claim, then that's the one that's going to be getting all the updates on the claim. Does that make sense?
Okay, yeah, so you're sending it to the lady at 4 Wheel Parts. So.
Okay, and then if you were to receive like compensation, like a new tire for it, then it would go to whatever address was submitted with the claim. So.
Okay. All right. Well, at least I know that you guys got it, so that's good. Thank you for that.
No problem.
Alrighty. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Well, there's that. I guess they'll be done with the warranty claim next week, and then they're shipping it to 4 Wheel Parts because that is the information that they have. So this whole process is just taking fucking forever. So I don't even expect you guys to be patient with it because I'm not being patient with it. So I mean, whatever. We called them, they got the tire, so I mean, we'll have to see where all this goes. We're just kind of waiting in limbo, which is sucky. I was debating on just buying another tire and just then if they send me one, then I'll have it as a spare, but I don't know. I really don't want to spend $500 just to get a tire like a week early or something like that, so I don't know. We'll have to see. That's the update on the tire situation for now. So let's go put this trailer hitch on and see how that ends up looking. So this is going to be fun to get out of here. My floor jack, which I need to kind of hold the hold the thing up while I bolt it on, is in the garage here. But also, this is my dad's Trans Am. It still has a blown transmission in it, so a little update on that. But yeah, hopefully I can get this out of here without denting this guy's car. I'm sure I probably can.
But it is our responsibility to overcome our negative feelings.
Alright, well, I actually ended up getting it on there. Some of these things, I mean, it's probably user error, but they're not, need to fit up in there sideways, and it hits the side of the frame rail if I do that, so I'm just trimming them down. I honestly am not that worried about it, so, but then my cutoff wheel did that, so I'm kind of fucked. I got 3 of them in how they're supposed to be. You can see this one here needs to be shaved down a little bit because it won't go down all the way because it's hitting the side, but these ones are good. So yeah, we've got our hitch on. I mean, I just need to cut those two and then bolt them up there, but that's what we're at for now. So it doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't look all that bad. I mean, I kind of don't like it, but at the same time it's not all that bad. So let me know what you guys think. I just kind of had to do this or I wouldn't have passed inspection. So I also have the drop hitch to go on there. It's not going anywhere. Also, here, I'm going to stand on it, just give you guys a freaking test there. It ain't going nowhere. Obviously I'm not going to tow anything with it, and even if I do decide to tow something with it, I'm going to put it in correctly. This is just kind of to get it up there for the sake of the video, so I can show you guys that it's good. So yeah, alright, I guess that's pretty much it. Make sure that if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to leave a like for my aggravation for not being able to drive my truck in the freaking summer because I don't have a friggin' tire. And make sure, if you didn't already, go watch the video that I recently posted, the Jeep reveal with the lift and everything. Make sure to go watch that. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the whole tire situation, and we'll see where that all goes. So alrighty guys, see you in the next one.